And
bring a dumbbell. If you don't have a dumbbell, it's okay. All right. Now we are moving forward towards the exercise.
very good job, nice. Good job, go.
Oh, I'm sorry, I had the turntables wrong.
Start.
Try it
Start. Yes, very good, nice, good job. Good job. Next song is coming up. Go in a continuous motion. Go side to side. Keep your body hinge forward. All right. Okay, नेहा मित्तल मैं लेग क्रॉस नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं लेग साइड कर रही हूँ. ध्यान दीजिए क्या चल रहा है इधर. नेहा मित्तल मैम, मैं लेग साइड कर रही हूँ, लेग क्रॉस नहीं. ध्यान दीजिए इधर. ध्यान. साइड. नेहा मित्तल मैम प्रॉपर्ली कीजिए. साइड. Go. Keep it up. Move it, go. Don't look at my arms and then go properly. Get your arms in walking too, in motion too. Move it. No, dance नहीं करने का. You are dancing right now. You are not a dance. You have to do cardio. Not cardio, but you are doing. No, side, front, front, side, side, go, front, front, side, side, front, front, side, move it, go. Continue, continue. सोचो क्या गलत, ध्यान दीजिए इधर, ध्यान दीजिए. Proper. Side, side, front, front, side, side, front, front, both side. Sonal कीजिए, do not करना side. Do it. Side. प्रीति माजी, वर्कआउट करो, घूमना नहीं है. गलत कर दिया पूरा तुमने, पूरा गलत कर दिया. Wrong.
Together, all right? When we do any exercise, always remember that we are focusing. Keep your dumbbell down, my love. Dumbbells down. Thank you. Right now, we are understanding the body posture. Simple. No need to rush anything. Okay? मतलब कि क्या? Body को कैसे रखने का है workout के time पे वो समझने का है फिलहाल. All right? So please focus on me so that you can carry out properly. Just a second. Excuse me. Now, howsoever you will be standing in the front, you can stand like this as per the requirement of the workout. Keep your hands at the back so that you can get the crisp body. Yeah. Now, as you are standing like this, or you keep your legs side to side, or you keep your legs wide and up, or somewhere like that, it doesn't matter. What you have to do is distribute your body weight in both of your legs. मतलब कि क्या? जैसे हम ऐसे खड़े हो जाते हैं, ऐसे खड़े हो जाते हैं या ऐसे खड़े हो जाते हैं ना, ये नहीं करना है ना. मेंटेन योर पोस्चर. और एक और चीज मैं आपको बताऊं, मुझे भी ऐसे खड़े होना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बट हैव यू एवर सी, जब आप ऐसे खड़े होते हो तो आपका पेट बाहर की तरफ आता है. एंड सिंस मेनी ऑफ यू आर मदर हियर, तो आपके टाइम पे ऐसे खड़ा होना, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज आप जब जेस्टेशन पीरियड में थे आप ऐसे ही खड़े होते थे, तो ये चीज ना सामने की तरफ ऐसे आ जाती है, तो आपका ये जो कोर का हिस्सा है वो ऑटोमेटिकली सामने की तरफ आ गया. सो डोंट नाउ स्टॉप डूइंग इट. ऑलराइट? जितना अपनी बॉडी को मैनेज आप कर सकते हैं, डू दैट मच. तो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट योर बॉडी वेट इन बोथ ऑफ योर लेग्स. या दोनों पैरों में अपना बराबर से वेट डालिए. ऑलराइट? व्हेन यू आर डन डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग योर बॉडी वेट, look at my feet, everyone. Look at my feet. Keep your feet as straight as possible. मतलब कि क्या? जितने आप अपने तलवे सीधे रख सकते हो, do it. Now, जब हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, as per the requirement of the workout, हम अपने पैर वैसे रखेंगे. लेकिन अभी के लिए जितना आप सीधा रख सकते हो, ट्राई कीजिए. जितना सीधा आप रख सकते हैं, उतना सीधा रखिए. Cool, everyone? Are you guys okay? Are you guys fine? Yeah? Now you have to keep your knee a bit soft. मतलब कि क्या? आपको अपने knees हल्के से यहाँ पे फोल्ड रखने पड़ेंगे ताकि आपके पैरों में proper, you can get the proper effect during the workout. The tension should be coming to the muscles, not to your knee. All right? One is that. Now coming towards your shoulder line. Keep your shoulders. Bharti, are you done setting down your mats? I think you are. Babu, I'm telling you something. If you keep on getting yourself distracted, you cannot get it. Trust me. All right? Focus here. Keep your shoulders down. Keep your back straight. Simple. अपने shoulders को नीचे रखिए and जितना अपने shoulders को proper रख सकते हैं उतना रखिए. Why? During the exercise, the slouchiness, no. Overextension, avoid. जितना अपने बॉडी को proper engage रखेंगे, मतलब neither your body is loose nor your body is tight. You have to do that, okay? OnePlus आप बहुत ज्यादा मोबाइल अपना यूज कर रहे हो. Blue top. EB2101. Please go back. Stand straight. मैं कुछ बता रही हूँ आपको समझ नहीं आएगा बेटा तो आप कर नहीं पाओगे. फिर जितना आकर के अपना मोबाइल स्क्रॉल करोगे, जितना आकर के अपने आप नोटिफिकेशन स्क्रॉल करोगे, बेटू नहीं समझ में आने वाला कुछ आपको. स्टैंड स्ट्रेट अगर आप करना चाहते हो, वरना आप अपने खुद डिसीजन ले सकते हो. बट इफ यू आर कमिंग टू अ सेशन, प्लीज फोकस हियर, क्योंकि मुझे पता है आप में से कई लोग फोकस ही नहीं कर रहे होंगे. आप लोग के चेहरे बता देंगे. जितना अच्छे से कर सकते हो, डू इट. सोनल आर यू ओके बेबी? सोनल दीक्षित आर यू ओके? आर यू फाइन? गुड. फोकस हियर माय लव. कुछ समझ रहे हो, कुछ सीख रहे हो अपनी बॉडी को लेकर के. I'm saying this out loud. You have paid for your service. I'm giving you my service. Utilize it. निकालो. मिल रहा है आपको. ग्रहण करो, please. Okay? Keep your shoulders down. Keep your head straight. Now, head straight means what? Don't keep your head like this. Nah. Keep your head stable. So that your head straight should not. Should be keep your hands down, bacha. Your arms, your head should be stable like this. Why I'm telling you to keep your hands down? So that you can manage your body properly. If you will be standing like this, which looks good, you can do it on a regular basis, fine. But this will not give you the shoulders properly. This give you the shoulder strap properly. With every movement, with every position, your body decides how to act. Okay? So keep this thing in mind. Cool, everyone. All right. एक बार जल्दी से फिर समझते हैं, and then we'll move towards exercise. Okay? Keep your leg normally. Distribute your body weight in both of your legs. Second part, try to keep up your feet straight. Third part, थोड़ा सा आपको अपने knees को fold करना पड़ेगा. Come up towards your shoulder line. Keep your shoulders straight and keep your head straight. Loud and clear to everyone till now. Yeah? Very good job. If you have a dumbbell, bring a dumbbell. If you don't have a dumbbell, it's okay. All right? Now we are moving forward towards the exercises. So please get ready. All right? अगर आपके पास dumbbell नहीं है, so however am I using my arms right now? You have to do that way. Now, the very first exercise is sumo squat and arm raises. All right? So you have to take your leg out more than your hip width, everyone. Exactly. Now look at my feet. Keep your feet diagonally positioned. Side and in the front ke beech ka. You have to keep your feet diagonal. Now, put your dumbbells in between like this. All right? In between your thighs like this. If you don't have a dumbbell, make a fist and put your arms like this. You have to act as if you are using a dumbbell. Okay? So you can do that way. Now, you have to put your dumbbells all together like this. Get down into this position, keeping your body straight. Yes. And come up towards your shoulder line. When you will raise your arms up, your arms should be coming towards your chest like this. इसके ऊपर, इसके नीचे नहीं. बराबर. Barabar. Cool, everyone? So let's just do it properly. Take your leg out. 2 sets are coming. साथ में करते हैं, all right? On my count, get into the position and go. 1, up. 2, up. 3, dumbbell swing, we also call it. 4, 5, 6, very good job. 7, 8, 9, good job. Continue. 10, 11, perfect. 12, 13, get down. Okay. Noor, I want you to get down in a squat position properly. You are just hinging your body down. You are not doing the squat properly. Fold your legs, do your squat, and then come up. Go. 12, do it properly. 11, 12, yes, go. 13, 14, 15, proper squats, ladies. Keep your squats proper, okay? 16, 17, very good. 18, nice. 19, very good job. And the last 20, everyone. Do the last 20 and relax. Good? If you want, you can keep your dumbbells down real quick and just keep your arms stretched. Just keep your arms relaxed, all right? Keep your legs relaxed because second set is about to come. And second set we will be doing very slow. With the tension coming on your muscles, with the focus on your posture, and the movement and the swing all together. Loud and clear to everyone. Take your position, everyone. Take your position. Bhavna, back to your position, my love. Thank you so much. Get your dumbbells again. Be in the front. Take your leg out. Distribute your body weight in both of your legs. Keep your shoulders down. Keep your back straight. Get down in a sumo squat position, everyone. Do it. Get down. Yes. Swing it up. 1. Slowly get down. 2. Slowly get down. 3. Get down. 4. Perfect. Down. 5. Very good. Go slow. Go slow. 6. Go. 7. 8. 9. Yes, baby. Very good. Very good, Dhruti. 10. 11. Okay, Surbi, you are doing it absolutely wrong. सुरभि स्टॉप बेटा गलत कर रही हो जो बोला जा रहा है उस पर फोकस करो दोनों हाथों कनेक्ट करो 11 go up 12 go up 13 move it out 14 yes 15 16 17 18 yes 19 very good and the last 20 and relax. Keep it down. Okay, कभी भी डंबल ऐसे डाउन नहीं करना. जैसे आ रहा है वैसे ही डाउन करो and then keep it aside. All right? You are giving tension to your muscles, so मसल्स में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. ओके, असाइड एवरीवन, रख दीजिए. ओके एवरीवन, रख दो, हो गया काम. कीप इट असाइड. Exactly. Now, ladies, stretch your arms, relax your legs. All right. Because the next exercise we are going to do is you will be able to do that. All right, let's just do it. हमने पहले भी साथ में किया हुआ है, so we will be doing it again. New ladies, watch me really very carefully before attempting this exercise. Okay. This is an intermediate level. आप easily कर सकते हो, कोई डरने का बात नहीं है. लेकिन फोकस करोगे तो बनेगा. All right. The next is your deadlift. All right. So deadlift के लिए take your leg out as per your hip breadth. Hip breadth के बराबर अपने पैर निकालिए. All right. Shoulders down, back straight. If you want to use dumbbell, obviously you will be using dumbbell. अगर आपके पास dumbbell नहीं है, आप fist बनाएंगे and you will be keeping it in front of your thighs like this. All right, nice. Now, come. Keep your legs out. थोड़ा सा, I will be keeping the. Yes, exactly. Keep your legs out. Keep your body straight. All right. Now, what you are supposed to do is, everyone move to side. Show me your side profile. Show me your side profile. Very good job. Attach the dumbbells to your thighs. All right. Keep your shoulders down. Keep your back straight. Now, what you are supposed to do is you have to fold onto your knees, taking your glutes out, touch your shin area. Touch your shin area. Come back up. Shin area means what? You are actually touching down on this particular part. In between knees and in between ankle. When I'll say, then you do it. Otherwise, you stop. Watch me really very carefully what I'm trying to tell you. Stand straight. Don't take your glute out like this, core out like this. Stand straight, everyone. Try to keep your body stand straight. Very good job. Nice. You have to touch this area. All right. So one more time. How will it look like? You have to keep your shoulders down. You have to keep your back straight. Side. Move side. Bhavna, side. ध्यान दीजिए. Keep your shoulders down. Keep your back straight. Now, get down into this position, taking your glutes out, keeping your knee folded, touch, come back up slowly. All right. Touch it down, fold your body, come back up slowly. All right. How it will look like? It will look like this. Okay. Everyone, now move forward. Stand straight. Very good job. Keep your dumbbells in the front of your thighs. On my count, let's just get it slow. Okay. Get down. This is what we call deadlift. We are just hinging forward and keeping our glutes at the back and come back up. Folding our legs at the same point of time. One, up. Exhale while coming up. Inhale while going down. Exhale, come up. Exhale from your mouth, okay? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very good job. Inhale. Forward. Exhale. Keep your head down. भारती अपने सर नीचे करके रखना है वरना सर गले में दर्द होगा. Inhale down. Keep your head like this. Down, down. सर नीचे देखने. आंखें नीचे की तरफ होनी चाहिए. Okay? Keep your head down. Body down. Come up. Okay. सुरभि बेटा बहुत फास्ट कर रहे हो बेटा और गलत भी कर रहे हो. Stand up properly. Do it properly. Focus. All right. Everyone, come 11 count. Down. Fold onto your knees. Come back up. ओके तुरभी आप स्क्वाट कर रहे हो, आप गलत कर रहे हो. मैंने आपको करने को कहा है R&D, सॉरी डेडलिफ्ट करने को कहा है, आप स्क्वाट कर रहे हो. फोकस करो इधर, कहां पोजीशन गलत हो रही है. गेट डाउन इनटू दिस पोजीशन. You have to hinge forward. Don't go. Yes, exactly. Very good. Come up. Don't go in a squat position. 13, 14, and the last 50. And relax. Fold onto your knees. You will take your glutes at the back and then you get down. Okay? हम स्क्वाट नहीं कर रहे हैं. स्क्वाट और डेडलिफ्ट में जमीन आसमान का डिफरेंस होता है. ओके, सो फोकस ऑन दैट पार्ट. कूल एवरीवन, कम ऑन टू द सेकंड सेट. गेट रेडी एवरीवन. सेकंड सेट. ऑन माय काउंट आई विल बी वाचिंग गाइस. ओके, कीप योर आर्म्स टुवर्ड्स योर थाइज. ऑलराइट, कीप योर शोल्डर्स डाउन, कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट. वेरी गुड जॉब. ऑन माय काउंट, लेट्स जस्ट डू इट. गो. 15, गेट डाउन. वेरी गुड. अप. 14, डू इट. सुरभि करो बेटा, मैं आपको देखूंगी. ओके, अगेन गलत किया, अगेन गलत किया. यही करने को मना किया था मैंने. क्या कर रही हो सुरभि आप? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? पूरा गलत है मेरी जान, क्या कर रही हो सुरभि, कहाँ ध्यान है आपका? कीप योर आर्म्स साइज में, ओके? गेट डाउन 14, कम बैक अप, गेट डाउन 13, बैक अप, गो स्लो, बहुत फास्ट जा रहा है आप लोग का। 11, 10, 9, वेरी गुड, 8, ध्यान दो बेटा, ध्यान दो, 7, 6, 5, 4, continue ladies, continue, 3, very good, 2, and the last one, cover the last one everyone, get down, come back up, relax. Cool? Now, if you have focused, क्या हुआ exactly? You have worked on your glutes. Cool everyone? Obviously getting down into the position, work on your glutes. तो ये particularly glutes पे काम करता है. इसी का एक वेरिएशन होता है stiff deadlift. Stiff deadlift works on your hamstring. Hamstring क्या होता है? This part. अभी जो हमने किया वो glutes पे किया. अब हम है जो hamstring जो हम एक और जो पार्ट होता है वो यहाँ पे वर्क करता है. कूल एवरीवन? वो अभी मैं नहीं करवाऊंगी वरना आपके लिए और कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाएगा. सुरभि मैंने बैठने को नहीं कहा बेटा, खड़े हो जाओ. Everyone, inhale from your nostrils. Exhale from your mouth. Keep your arms relaxed. Inhale. Exhale. Very good job, ladies. Nice. Inhale. If you want to have a sip of water. The last exercise is about to come. Let's just do the last exercise, okay? This last exercise, इससे हमने अपनी शुरुआत की थी, warm up की. If you remember, we are going to go for calf raise. So the position for calf raise is you have to keep your arms up in a shoulder press position. मतलब कि क्या, हाथ सर के ऊपर ऐसे side to side. All right. Now everyone do it with me. The last workout is about to come. Okay. Keep your arms up just like this. Keep your shoulders down. Keep your body straight. Keep your body manageable. Very good job. Now slowly lift your leg up on your toes. All right. And hold on to this position as far as you can till the time my counting goes on. Go. 1, 2. प्राची, तुमको एक्स्ट्रा करना पड़ेगा. तुमने बहुत टाइम लिया ऊपर आने के लिए. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go. 10, 11. 1 plus मैडम. वर्कआउट तो आपका गया. आप मोबाइल में ध्यान दे रहे हो आप तो तब से. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. ऊपर आइए, खड़े होइए. 18, 19, 20. Do not keep your mouth closed. Blow it out. Blow your carbon dioxide out. Go. 21, 22, 23, 24. अंजना मैम, अंजलि मैम, प्रॉपरली हाथ ऊपर, साइड टू साइड नहीं करते, प्रॉपर ऊपर जाते हैं. प्रॉपरली ऊपर जाइए, प्रॉपर कीजिए. 25, 26. लिफ्ट करो, लिफ्ट करो, लिफ्ट करो. 27. वेरी गुड जॉब. 28. वेरी नाइस. 29, 30. यस. 31, 32. Go, go, go. 33, 34. Do it. 35, 36, 37. Exactly. 38, 39. अंजलि हाथ ऊपर, सिंपल, छोड़ना नहीं है वर्कआउट. 40. हाथ प्रॉपरली करो ऊपर. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly arms down. Exactly. जितना आप अगर डंबल से होल्ड कर पाओ, well and good. अगर नहीं कर पा रहे हो, keep your dumbbells down. Use your normal bare arms. Now the last set, everyone. Let's just get into it. Keep your arms up. Proper proper arms elevation towards the upward side of your body. Hold it. Jaldi karo Anjali. I'm watching you. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, Swati, you can do it, baby. 15, 16, up, up, up. 17. Balance yourself, coordinate yourself, and hold it on. 18, 19. Very good, Joeta. 20, 21, 22, 23. और भी करो बेटा, हाथ नहीं हिलाना है. 24. गलत. हाथ ऐसे करने को कहा है. क्यों कर रही हो जो चीज बताया नहीं गया आपको? ढंग से करो. ऊपर आओ. होल्ड करो. चलो शुरू हो जाओ. करो. 18, 19 सोल भी सुनना शुरू करो बेटा, बहुत गलत आदत है आपकी। 20, 21, 22 संस्कृति में भी कीप इट अप। 22, 23, 24, 25, 26। नेहा मैम बाद में सर खुजाइएगा, सीधा करिए अपनी बॉडी को। 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30। ऊपर नहीं देखना है, सामने देखना है। 31, 32। मुट्ठी बांधिए, सीधा करिए हाथ ऐसे, प्रॉपरली कीजिए हाथ एंड डू इट प्रॉपरली। लेडीज कहाँ ध्यान है होल्ड करने का? डू इट प्रॉपरली बच्चे, डू इट प्रॉपरली। अप गो। 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36। Yes, Renu, very good job. 37, 38, 39, 40. Go. 41, 42, 43. Hina, do it. 44, 45, 46, 47. Hina, do not go on dumbbells. Do it normal arms क्योंकि खत्म होने वाला है काउंटिंग आपकी. If you will keep on doing it, it's gone. 45. हिमांशी इतने में थक गई, वाह. 45, 46 ladies, yeah. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Niharika, don't look at my face, do it. 55, 56. इसको हटा दो, नहीं बनेगा, इसको हटाओ. 55, नीचे रखो इसको. Properly arms को ऊपर लेके जाओ, ढंग से करो. 55, 56, 57, go. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. You guys cheated. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Himanshi, look at me. 71, 72, 73, 74. Keep on doing it. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Hina, properly खड़ी हो जाओ बेटा. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Up, hold. 94, 95. Hina, do it. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. सोना इतने में आपकी हालत खराब हो गई. बस इतना लेडीज यार, कोई बात नहीं. गुड जॉब, आई विल गिव इट टू यू. 100 काउंट तक खड़े रहना. इतना याद आया स्कूल टाइम पे हाथ ऊपर करके खड़ा करवा दिया जाता था. पनिशमेंट, डेस्क पे खड़े हो जाओ, सिंपल खड़े हो जाओ. यस प्रियंका बेबी, खड़े हो जाओ. अभी भी खड़े रहना है, बैठना नहीं है. All right, good job ladies, very good. Clap for yourself. It was not easy, you guys did it. Yeah, very good. हंसो भाई, किया है अच्छा वर्कआउट. Do it. Yes, I will make you smile on the on the gun point as well. Joking. Very good job, nice ladies. Now take your shoes off. We'll do a nice cool down, and after cool down, whatever doubts and questions you will be having, I'll be taking it. If just in case if you have any, okay? Good job, ladies. Nice. Good. Relax. Relax your arms. Relax your legs. Relax it. Relax it. Relax it. Stretch. Hold it.
Или это дама сердце, будешь ли моей? Сможешь ли ты растопить железное во мне? Скажи мне, что ты ждешь, заходи, жизнь мою дуня. Ты пролети сквозь туман до меня. Сонная, лунная лиса, моя невинная, милая. Сонная лиса, с глазами из огня. Сонная, лунная лиса, моя невинная, милая. Сонная лиса, с глазами из огня.
Keep your back straight. Keep your leg crossed.
Звездам забросать меня и стал твоим героем за дня первой встречи нашей любви.
And keep your arms up as long as you
Эти
can.
мысли вновь прилетают ко мне, они пылают в моей голове. Чувство дарит силы долететь к тебе, а я целую, обнимаю тебя.
Nice. Take it, relax. Stretch your back. Stretch your back. Very good. Side to side. Good job.
Глазами из огня. Сонная, лунная, лиса моя, ненабитая. Сонная лиса с глазами из огня.
One last time. Relax your arms, ladies. Very good, very good. Nice. Thank you so much, ladies. Now I'm going to unmute everyone. If you want to leave, you can leave. Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies. अच्छा कौन कौन किसका किसका आज पहला दिन था? Raise your hand, please. The first day people. किन किन का पहला दिन था? Good संस्कृति. Good effort, बच्चे.
I'm a Zyrex member for a month, and my name is Dr. Bedashruti. Being a doctor, it was always a tedious task for me to find time and motivation to work out. And Zyrex was my blessing in disguise, as they have flexible time slots for workout, customized diet plan according to my need and my working schedule. They have different types of workout forms every day, like Bhangra, then Zumba. Also, it includes yoga, which is very good for our flexibilities and improvement of our internal health also. And the best thing about Zyrax is it's affordable. They are always at tips to help me, and the instructors are just like my elder sisters. My favorite instructor is Rishika ma'am, Tuhina ma'am, and Swami Mini ma'am. And thank you. Have a good day.
Hi, I'm Riddhi and I am attending Zyrex fitness classes for over a month now, and I have seen an amazing result in myself. I already lost 2 kg with proper diet and proper workout. Also, the best part is their flexibility of time slots and varieties of trainers. You can opt for any session with any trainers, and also their schedule is well planned. They don't offer just Zumba. There is Tabata, weight training and yoga as well, and whole 7 days are perfectly planned. So I highly recommend.
So hello everyone, my name is Hetu Jain and I have been with the Zymax Fitness from past few days, and the journey has been truly amazing and fantabulous. With their responsive team and the communication which they have between us is really very nice. All the sessions which are being conducted are so engaging. As a student, it becomes difficult for me to manage time between my studies and other activities. So Zynax Fitness helped me to maintain and stay motivated for all of them together. And their sessions, the live sessions are so interesting, which helps me to really engage in the fitness which I have never been before. So the Zumba, they have different sessions. Like they have not been just one particular session which they are going through. They have different activities conducted on every day. The teachers and the mentors are really great who are guiding us for the fitness journey sessions. So I'm truly grateful for Zynax Fitness, and I am truly motivated to keep my journey for the longer run. Thank you so much Zynax Fitness for being my fitness journey transformation.
Hi guys, my name is Abhya and I've been attending Zyrex Fitness Zumba classes regularly. It's been a great time, fun time with the trainers, amazing job done by the trainers as well. I love the time when there are, variations. For example, one day is Tabata, one day is kickboxing, one day it's yoga, the other day is upper body, lower body or Bhangra. It's been an amazing time with these guys. So I'm looking forward to work out more and exercise more because I've lost few pounds and kgs. So yeah, it's been a fun time. Thank you so much.